Go first. Enter. Alright, we're going to let them go first, and then we're going to wait a second, and we have to navigate. Oh. Alright, we're down on this side. Daddy, I don't know which way it goes. This way or this way?
That's a good question. Alrighty. What way do you think? What way do you think we will have to try and find our way out of here? The maze. You want to go left or right?
Maybe it left.
Left is here. Okay. Okay. So now do you want to go left or right?
Left or right? Maybe right.
Right. Okay. You see all the corn on the plants? See, this is corn. In here is corn. That's how they make popcorn.
Corn.
If you heat them with a little oil, they'll pop. But you can also use the corn on the cob. Okay. So, yeah. Come on, let's go this way. I think this way is good. Well, we can go straight or we can go left here. Let's try and go straight. Okay. I think definitely left. No, wait. We just came from there, so apparently this was not a good way. Alright, so now we're going to need to kind of backtrack. Here, this way, come on.
Is this the way where it's coming?
Yeah, this is kind of a dead end here, so let's go this way back.
Okay. It kind of oh, the train.
Now we definitely need to go this way. This is where I think we took the wrong turn before. I hear the train. Hold on, coming. I think let's try and go left. Let's see where that leads us. Let's see, let's try and go right. And then keep left. Left. And go left again. Oh! You gonna go up and ring the bell? Right? Oh! He's up there actually. Come on. Okay, let's go this way.
I don't know where I'm going.
Me neither. It's the first time I've been here. We have to try and find the exit. I think... What does this mean? I think this just kind of fell off. Hold on. Okay, you guys looking for the exit?
Yes.
Okay, that means we need to go the wrong way. We're going the wrong way. Come on. Yep.
How you doing, navigator?
Yeah, we've been here 6 days now. I mean,
good thing there's a lot of corn around.
It used to be 346.
yeah.
Oh, I see a ball on top. If we can get to that, we might be able to see where we're going. Figure out how to get it. Oh.
I know where to go right here.
Well,
Oh, you can see it so close.
can smell it, but can't touch it.
Oh, now we got it.
way, banana. Oh, good.
Alrighty. Let's ring the bell, Eric. What does that say? At the end of the... Alrighty. Let's continue. Now we'll go down on the other side. Alrighty. Let's go this way. No, okay. Guess we're not going that way. What day is it? Okay, I think we need to go this way. That's what I think. But I might be wrong. Yeah, this doesn't look too promising. Okay, keep left. Go straight and left, left, here, right, left. That's okay. We can live here. We'll build a house out of mud. And we have lots of corn cobs we can eat. Alright, so there's two possibilities here. Let's see. Let's try and go this way. You want to go in front of me? Come on.
Go pee.
You have to go pee. Oh, this is dead end. We just have to go over this way. Come on. Alrighty. Left. Alrighty. What does it say on that sign? It says Cornelius Quest Picture Find. Blah 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 blah. Okay. Come on. Faster you go, faster we get out of here. Straight. Left. Okay. Yep. All right. Now, there's several possibilities there. What does that say? Vision slide map under. Now we didn't take one of those. Okay, let's see. What do you want to go for, the middle, or let's go for the middle? See where that takes us.
Nowhere.
Yeah, go straight. All right, we'll take this one here. That was the left option. Now it's of course right. Yes, there is. Okay, come on. Then we'll take this third option, which is that one. Actually, there's 4 options, 5 options. All right, come on here. Take left. You have so much energy. You had a big breakfast. You have lots of energy. All right, I think this kind of looks like where we were earlier. So apparently this is not the right track or the right direction or path. Okie dokie. I think we need to get over towards the tower and then because I think we've been here before. Come on. Come on. No, be careful. Now, if we don't find the exit soon, we may have to resort to cannibalism with corn for the vegetables, of course. Watch out there, you stepping in that direction. Right.
Back out to that.
Okay.
Come on, Eric. Let's go this way too. All right, let's see here. The map there. Well, there's a dead end here. Come on, let's go this way. Come on. Okay, I'm going to see if I can catch you. Okay, run. Left, right.
Going the wrong way?
No, we are going the wrong way. Oh, okay. Everybody's going the wrong way. Alrighty. Let's see. Keep left. Left. Okay, so here that was where we were earlier. Come on, let's get back this way. All of those that didn't work. Come on. Go that way? Yeah. And let's see, yeah, this way. All right, come on, go. Let's see, let's go straight. See, where's the tower? Come on, can we go a little faster maybe? Can you see the tower anywhere with the barrel? I think when we finally get out of here, I think we need to go and buy a drink, don't you think? I hope you brought money. What? You didn't bring money? How are we going to get drink then? You didn't bring your credit card? Okay. All right, go. Come on. Faster, faster, faster. Go to the right. Come on. I'll buy a drink when we get out of here. I'll take it out of your allowance, but I'll buy it. I'm just kidding. I'll take it from your piggy bank. What? All right, now let's see here. What do we have here? I kind of maybe, have a feeling for that one right there, back there. But okay, let's go this way. Okay, now let's see. That one is a dead end? Yeah, and I think we already went that way. So I think I can remember that earlier. So let's go back this way. Let me. Whatever exit we find, if it's the one we came in at, the entry actually, or the exit, whatever way out we'll find, we'll take it. That's the deal. All right, let's see here. What do we got here? Don't think we're going to go that way. That's not that far. Okay, here's the tower. Good. That's where I wanted to get back at. Need to find a way under that. So the exit is over there somewhere, Eric. Hold on, let's take a look here. Eric.
We're now just trying to find stations. We can get out. Nobody get out. Now we're going to find a station.
Come on, Eric. Come on. Okay. Now a little earlier when we met some people that came towards us over at that area. We should probably have continued. I thought they had gone the wrong way. All right. Anyways, let's get over there towards the tower again. Watch out for the tigers and bears. All right, now let's see here. Wait. I think we should try this way. Come on. And then this way. We need to try something that we haven't done. That's how you find your way out of the maze. Kind of have to remember where you went, and then try and go somewhere you haven't until you find the exit. Go left. Let's try and go left, and go left again. I'm just kidding. Left is here. Yeah, you're right. We're going right. All right. So now, of course, keep going. Right. Okay. Not that way. Come on. Go straight. Left. Oh, crap. We've already been here. We need to try and find a way over there. Come on. One of these, there must be a way to get over there this way. I hope so. Okay, go right. Right. Wait a second, actually wait. Let's go this way. Suddenly had an idea. If we can get can we somehow oh just went there. Here, come on. This is going to be a long video. I'm recording. Okay, go straight. Turn right, of course. Okay, keep going. Keep going. Here, let's turn this way. Come on. Come on, buddy. Come on, go, go. I'm going to race you over to the slide. Come on. Yeah. Come on, go, 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 go. Faster, please. I'm thirsty. Go right. Right. Come on, go, go. In front of me. Go right. Oh. Yeah. Go, 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 go. Alright, so now the question is, we'll probably need to go this way. Come on. Come on. Alright. Keep going. I see the slide. It's right over there. I think we're on the right track. I think we're on the right track. Okay. Come on, nerd. I guess not. Alrighty. Come on. Dead end.
Come here. I was wrong. There's a sign over here. Okay, hold on. Watch out, Savannah.
Come. Okay. I think this is the entry. Let's just take the entry. Because we couldn't find our way out. I'm sure if we had spent more time, maybe we'll come back later. Let's go get a drink, huh? Oh, I have the tractor. We can get a tractor trip. Oh, look at those little ones. You want to try one of those? Yeah. Alrighty. Hold on.